Alrighty guys, we got a Texas Star DX400, oldie but goodie. Everything works on it. It does need some light bulbs in the meter. I don't have none of them. Might go to our parts and buy them, or the other parts store and get them. We did a wire upgrade, 2 new 8 gauge wires. We checked everything out, changed the resistor. Things seems to be working real good. A little video here showing it's working. Straight through SWR. Worldwide. Input SWR on high. Worldwide. Output reflect on high. Worldwide. 500 watt slug, average power. Worldwide. About 200. TP. Worldwide, 500 in the corner. Look at our 1,000 watt slug peak. Worldwide, about 490, worldwide, get on down. If you're pushing the green button, worldwide, drops down to 400. Your settings seems to work good. There she is, worldwide. Green button out. Worldwide. Hold on. Sideband, green button in. Worldwide. She's got several different ways you can run her. Of course, the meter works. It's nasty, but it works. Worldwide, get on down. Everything's working with the wire upgrade. I'm going to smack the lid back on the other side and get to the next one. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 1001AB will catch you later.